Is Bitcoin too volatile to be a reliable store of value? The answer is no. It depends on what your time horizon is. Obviously, if you need to store value for a short period of time, Bitcoin is too volatile if you know you need the exact amount of US dollar value in a day or a week or even a month. But over any 4-year period of time, Bitcoin has always been up 4 years later as compared to whatever the start date was. And that has been the case for 17 consecutive years now. Over the course of any 3-year period, Bitcoin is up like 97% of the time, or even higher, maybe like 99 point something anyway, ridiculously high percent. And even over 2 years, Bitcoin's up about 67% of the time over any 2-year period. So it's a matter of what is your time horizon? If you cannot handle that level of volatility in the short term, then allocate capital that is longer term to Bitcoin. Ultimately, it's just a matter of time horizons. If you have a long enough time horizon, then you're good. It doesn't matter. And as Bitcoin grows, it becomes less volatile over time, which means it's even better suited for people who need less volatility. So there will be a point in the future, maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years from now, maybe longer, there will be a point where Bitcoin will be the most stable thing in the world, and it won't have volatility. It also means you won't have the huge economic upside you can get with Bitcoin today, but it also means you won't have the volatility. It'll just be money. And that money in the future, being Bitcoin, will go up about 3% per year because that is the rate of human productivity growth. The value of money that has a fixed supply goes up equivalent to the human productivity growth after that money is fully adopted. So Bitcoin's not going to stop going up 3% per year, but between now and then, it's going to go up a lot more than that as the worldwide adoption happens. And then after that, it'll settle down, the volatility will dissipate, and you'll just get 3% per year, which is a heck of a lot better than losing between 4 and 9% per year like you do with the US dollar. But between now and then, volatility is your friend. The volatility means you can have huge economic upsides. There is no asset in the world that is low volatility, huge economic upside. That asset does not exist. If an asset has huge economic upside, it has high volatility. Those two things always go together. So as long as your time horizon is long enough, Bitcoin is a fantastic store of value. Certainly for retirement accounts, but I live on Bitcoin. I have all of my assets in Bitcoin. And so again, but I can handle that volatility.